People are telling me that ADA is dead and fallen down to 24 cents. TA doesn't say that. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Wow. You know what? Lots of news, but you know what? I've cut down today's video segment a little bit with the news. And I want to talk about first, need your help, man. I'm loving this game, Medieval Empires, but I need some people to join my land because I had to kick off people who are not working. If you're interested in playing for real, before this goes full, yeah, you can join my land. I have like 4 slots on this decent land, right? 10, what's it called? Prestige. And this one, I will be giving away 2,000 me tokens once you guys get the prestige up to 5, and then 10,000. No, 20,000 once you get it up to 10. So push, join in this land and get some actual me tokens. So this will take a little while to get to 10. So by the time it does, those 20,000 me tokens probably going to worth a lot of money. So jump in. All right. Enough of that. Let's go on to, I'm going to be cooking up something for the Davitar members shortly. So make sure you own a Davitar today, because it's going to be interesting. Also, whether you own a Davitar or not, if you just help us out by testing this MicroDJ J15 token, if you click there and connect to your MetaMask, you go and connect to a testnet of Ethereum, and then boom, you can actually use this. If you know how to do all that, great, and you test it, you could actually get some airdrops, okay, in the future. Thank you. Okay, let's get on with the news. Here's why 60% of Cardano holders are losing money. Oh boy, called it pin and piece. The crypto market is currently experiencing massive financial stock evidence. No less than 60% of the flagship cryptocurrency holder of Cardano network are now in negative financial territory. But what are the reasons behind massive financial collapse for these investors? This decoded at heart of this unprecedented financial crisis. Oh, good. Every single cryptocurrency, every single one, whether it's new, when it's new, pumps, right, and dumps. And it does 80% drawdown in general until years into the future, 10 years into the future. Is Cardano 10 years old? No. So there's going to be anywhere from 60 to 80% drawdown on any particular cryptocurrency that is new up until 10 years. Now, is that a 100% guarantee? No, because Binance didn't do that, right? It didn't have a 60% drawdown. It had more like 40 and 50%, but never got to a 60% drawdown, all right? For some strange reason, it was very annoying for me because I had bio at first. But anyways, in the numbers, the financial debacle for Cardano is striking. Flagship ADA suffered losses of 30%, and he's saying it's plunging to 26 cents. Okay, let's take a look, and it's going to go further, right? Let's take a look at the ADA the charts. So you can see this is a key support level. Now, it used to be resistance, and now it's support again, and it's holding its support right here. You are in a nice kill zone box to buy ADA. If you believe in this project, now I'm not a supporter of this project. I don't think long term it will do well, but it will pump in this cycle. Will pump. Anybody who says otherwise is lying. It already did its 80% drawdown. That's just again. Let me show you. Watch what happens when I draw my Fibonacci levels. What do you think this thing stopped at? 88.6. Bam. Like clockwork. Okay. All right. I didn't even have to draw that. I knew that's where it was. Even though I've never done it before, you can see that 88.6 was its lower level, its target level. Right. So yes, did it go a little bit lower? Yes, but that's okay. And 88.6 drawdowns is the norm. So when we're in a bull cycle, we generally only come back to 61.8 or 78.6. Typically. Okay? And since this token is not absolutely garbage, right? It does have value, right? It will probably hold at 61.8 or the 78.6. Since it has it has a what's it called? There's a support line. It'll probably hold that. So what does that mean? Buy. All right, moving on. Chan Ping Zhao, former boss of the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, jailed for allowing money laundering. But the former boss of the world's largest crypto trading exchange has been jailed for 4 months for allowing money laundering. This is BS. All right? If you Google money laundering with other banks, name a bank, put money laundering beside it, they got caught money laundering, then go research how many people went to jail. 0. You'd be like, what? That doesn't add up. World is not what you think it is. Okay? US government wanted this exchange. They got this exchange. They told him what time it is. They told him what he's going to do. Right? So that, he's going to pay a small fine. Not a problem. He's going to apologize. This is what you're going to do. You're going to make sure that all the peons out there don't go and create another exchange. Okay? So that's what this is all about. To protect these guys, the big banks, right? So they can money launder. And not get caught, not go to jail for that, right? Now, did he do money launder? I don't know. Does it matter? Does it matter? Really? It's money laundering, right? Is from the government's perspective is basically this. Is there anybody not paying taxes on their money? That's money laundering. Enough of that. Let's go on to the TA for today. You can see Bitcoin, as I said, Bitcoin is probably going to reverse up here. So you could not take a short down here. I said that on Wednesday on the Moon Show. I said that yesterday. And there it is. Boom. We are coming back up. Same with Ethereum. It's coming back up. We're looking to get into a short position probably at this level. You have to start scaling into your short position at $3,060 for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin it's 60,700 because it could go a little bit higher, and you need to scale this thing as it goes higher, and your stop losses are clear on each one. Because the top losses at the top here at 64,500 for Bitcoin, and stop loss is approximately 33.62 on Ethereum. It is what it is, right? Is this scary to get on this trade? Yes, it is. It's going to be scary. It's going to be hard, right? Because you could never know if this is going to just continue blowing higher or it's going to roll over for sure. But odds are you have to go with the odds. That rolling over and going down is what it's going to do. You have to go with the odds. And that's how it is. So with that said, there's your trade for the week or for the day. And this is how you're getting into this trade. You can look for other trades. I mean, you can try to get it on a long, right? Because it is going to probably likely here go higher. Probably get up to the top of the Bollinger Bands at the very least, and then roll over. So you can get some on the way up. So both for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you learned something, that the world is not the way you think it is. And this is why Bitcoin is here. Bitcoin is here to actually even level the playing field and make the world just a slightly bit fairer place to live in. Once Bitcoin becomes money, the world, a lot of things open up. A lot of truths will come out. Most of you won't care. Most of you won't care about all the fraud, scams, and BS that the government has done, right? There's certain things, right? Like 9/11 or any other major event that has occurred, whether it's in Australia or anywhere in the world. Those things will come out and, shock the world, but won't shock me. So, yeah, it is what it is. People believe the nonsense that their government tells them, and that's how they live. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the weekend. Cheers.